सॉरी
हाँ,
मिस्टर
आप
विनय।
कैसे हो? आप कैसे हैं साहब?
बहुत बढ़िया
नमस्कार।
सर।
So with your permission, sir, can we start, Pratibha?
Yes, 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 you
Yes,
can
good
start.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Pratibha. Good morning.
Okay, sir. Shall we start the webinar?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Good.
Okay. A very good morning to one and all. It's interesting that the things we cherish the most are the same we walk right by, right? They became so intertwined in the status of poor that ultimately it becomes impossible to tell them apart from our day-to-day life. That is impossible until things change, because as it turns out, the things we call life, there's a saying that you never really know what you have until it's gone. Sometimes it takes the most abrasive of reminders, the harshest of time, to help us to recapture our perspective, to lift us up and show us what we had previously failed to see. This pandemic is also a sign of God to remind us that sometimes it's not about how we spend our time, but who we spend it with. A very good morning to one and all. Now I would like Dr. Sanjeev Malviya sir to continue it from.
Thank you, Pratibha. May I request Professor Dr. Mudubine, Honorable Vice Chancellor, ICFA University, Dehradun, sir, to please share his few words of encouragement to all of us.
So, good morning to today's speaker, Mr. Rahul, and my colleague, Dr. Sanjeev Marvia, and my buddy manager. I think the topic which was chosen by the speaker and the Sanjeev Marvia, it is a relevant topic. That is the pandemic, the eye opener. Yes, I think 2 years before it was different. Now after 2 years, it is entirely after pandemic, it is entirely different. And earlier, according to my knowledge, it was not a technology-driven platform to everybody. And this pandemic made an eye opener to everybody, including the remote areas of our country, that this technology actually improves a lot. Now, when it takes anything, in the health aspect also, the country does not know where we are. But this pandemic made an eye opener. How many hospitals are there? In hospitals, whether they have the oxygen or not, whether they have the facilities or not, especially when it comes to the educational institutions. Now everybody geared with the technology. I think it's a good topic. I think Mr. Rahul will take forward with a more insight of this pandemic eye opener. I once again, on behalf of ICFA University, Dehradun ICFA Business School, I welcome Mr. Rahul for this speaker. Namaskar. Thank you. Back to Sanjay Madhu.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. It is a pleasure, in fact, that you are present, and it's a pleasure welcoming Mr. Rahul, who is heading the HR department at AU Small Finance Bank. And this is our 37th online Thought Leader Series session, which we have planned and conceived last year. And it has come a big way since then, all because of your blessings and support, sir. It's a pleasure to welcome you, sir. It is before I brief about my speaker to all the students. It is a privilege sharing to all of you once again, and with Mr. Rahul, that it is under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Muddu Vinay, ICFA University, Dehradun has made significant achievements. And to name just a few, we are amongst the global top rankings worldwide, which are there. Times Higher Education ranking, this university is ranked 45th position. ICFA University, Dehradun has achieved 45th position. Last year, amongst the world universities with real impact, we were amongst the top 50 universities. Recently, Education World has ranked us 46th All India and first in Uttarakhand amongst the private university. And the rankings for the mental health and well-being, and this is very significant. ICFA University is amongst the top 10 universities in India. We are ranked number 9 amongst those universities who care for their students and employees and are concerned with their health and well-being. Besides, we had another prestigious QS-iGauge certification, which is given to the universities who have made significant advancements in digitization. So these are some significant achievements we have made under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. For all my students, I would like to share a brief about our Honorable Speaker, Mr. Rahul Singh. He leads the talent acquisition and talent management at AU Small Finance Bank and is the Senior Vice President and the National Manager. He is highly experienced professional in his field with an illustrious career, a business HR professional with over 18 years of rich experience in realigning HR practices to create and develop talent life cycle across multiple sectors and both national and in the international markets. The sectors like banking, financial services, infrastructure development, roads, sports, telecom, power, water, rural infrastructure, housing, pharma, hospitality, IT, and healthcare sectors. And across markets like India, of course, yes, Austria, Dubai, Nigeria, Russia, Singapore. He is a highly passionate, result-oriented, energetic, and articulate leader with great respect for people, process, and innovation. He possesses excellent communication and people management skills that have been honed through managing multi-skilled teams. He has a can-do attitude and a great eye for detail. He is highly acclaimed for his skills in the area of talent acquisition, talent management, and employee engagement. He has received many honors and awards. Some of them are the Center of Certificate of Excellence, Pride Award, Business Leader Award, the Kanoria Foundation Award for the Best Group Support Team, and has multiple publications to his credit. He has expertise into strategic HR with sharp business acumen in developing, recommending, and implementing human resource strategies. He is adept in delivering tailor-made training programs on leadership development and business excellence for managers as well as for the senior strategic group leaders. He is acclaimed as a great leader, a dynamic personality, having deep understanding of his field, an expert in recruitment area and in the BFSI sector, and has power of taking smart decisions. Those who are close to him, they find him to be a very down-to-earth person, a motivator, and an excellent leader of the team who knows how to get best out of the candidates and who always stands for his team. The best boss to have worked under. These are some of the notings which the people those are close to him have made. And I invite you, sir, I invite this versatile and dynamic personality, Mr. Rahul Singh, for sharing his views on this very interesting and relevant topic, pandemic, the eye-opener. Over to you, sir.
Sanjeev ji, really thanks, and it's a very interesting, introduction to it. Frank, I am very happy to heard, itna acha kuch aapne bata diya. So I'm going to edit my profile now. You have chosen some very interesting words here. So nice of you. And again, really thanks, Vinay ji, our Vice Chancellor. And just want to share, guys, I'm looking for a interactive session. It's not I'm not going to present you any PPT and all other things. It has to be an interactive session because the topic is very interesting. The pandemic, the eye opener, and Dehradun is very close to my heart because I'm from Roorkee. And I'm sure you people can heard about Roorkee. It's hardly a couple of us from Dehradun. So we used to visit Dehradun, just watch movies and all other things. And, kabhi agar Mansoori ghumne jana hota tha, to definitely Dehradun is one of the spot for us. So guys, I'm looking for an interactive session, please. This session has to be something unique. What I'm trying to convey you people. Because why this topic I have chosen pandemic. The eye opener per se piece of things. So. Dr. Sanjeev Malviya, I prefer to hear who's the concerned person who can help me to interact with the students and all, because I'm looking for an interactive session. So is there any coordinator for the same?
Yes, sir. Akhilesh
I'm already giving the permission.
Okay. So everyone has a permission to, say hello to me, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, Akhilesh. So nice of you. Thank you. So guys, let's start our interactive session. And I believe, Dr. Sanjeev, we have an hour in our hand.
Yes, sir.
मतलब 1 घंटे से आप ज्यादा मुझे देंगे नहीं.
दे सकते हैं, sir. If you want to, we can give you more because
that's depend on those interesting minds what I am going to interact. These are champions in front of me. I thought today is my lucky day. I'm going to learn something from you people. This is very important to interact with the a new generation, because what we have learned and what you people are doing currently, it's a totally different piece. So I'm a firm believer of knowledge sharing exercise per se piece of thing. So guys, let's start this session with one very small interesting exercise, and I urge you, please do not use your mobile phones, please do not or take the help of Googles and all other things, because these 3 questions will help me to set the entire platform per se piece of thing. And believe me, these 3 tagline is typically or is reflection of my professional and personal life, and I'm a firm believer that this 3 tagline is going to be play a vital role any of your lives, be it in a personal or a professional career per se piece of thing. So there is a tagline of an entity called Express Yourself. Can anyone help me कि ये किस company का tagline है? Express yourself. Catch the word, guys, please. Express yourself. And please do not take help of Google and all other things.
you can unmute and answer.
Yeah, please.
You can
Go
raise
ahead.
your hands.
This is very important, the express yourself. Come on, guys.
Fast.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes,
Good
Sagar.
morning.
Airtel, sir.
Sir, Airtel, I feel.
You are Venkat, right?
Yes, sir.
संजीव जी, एक मेरी तरफ से एक स्पेसिफिक चॉकलेट वेंकट साहब के लिए रखिएगा प्लीज.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
So
much.
Venkat has touched a very perfect answer. The express yourself, guys. Please help me to understand the definition of express yourself. Then I can add something more. It has to be an interactive session. Please come. Let's have a discussion. Because Venkat, you have said Airtel, so I'm looking forward on you only. Boss, can you just describe the definition of the tagline "Express yourself"?
Good morning, sir. As the tagline mentions, express yourself in the sense, like the feelings or something we talk to other people through the network. Using the Airtel network, telling to express our words and feelings to the other person whom we talk in mobile.
Right. So now he has used one very interesting line, express your feelings, express your emotions. So be it in a personal life or a professional career, guys, believe me, if you people are not going to express yourself, no one is going to understand you. आज की डेट में किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि वो आपको टाइम देगा, पेशेंस शेयरिंग देगा कि बॉस what you would like to say or what you want to like to convey. This is very important to express yourself, be it in any situation. Clear your thought process, what you are looking for, what you would like to do, because the first goal is basically, set your expectations level. And if you want to set your expectations level, then you have to express yourself. So this is the first hurdle of the personal or professional career. Most of the people are not expressing themselves fully. Okay, fine. यार मुझे आता तो है लेकिन शायद मैंने बोला नहीं. No, this is very important to express yourself, be it in any situation, right? The second is just do it. Can you help someone help me? The tagline of his company, just do it.
Nike.
Nike, sir.
Nike.
So I believe who said first? Nike.
Me, sir.
Your name is a little bit tough to pronounce, Ms. Sharma.
Sharika.
Sharika. I'm really sorry. Sharika, so you said very correctly. Now connect those tagline, guys. Express yourself. When you express yourself, clear, set your expectations. You know, the next tagline is basically just do it. So be it in any situation, all right? What sort of work you people are doing, just go and do it. And no need to worry about कि boss आप लोग pass हो गए कि fail हो गए. अगर आप fail हो गए, believe me, you guys are the lucky one. बिकॉज जो फेल होता है ना उसको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, जो पास होता है उसे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिल पाता है. सो दैट्स से कि बॉस डबल एक्सपीरियंस. और आई एम द लाइव एग्जांपल ऑफ, अगर मैं बोलूं ना कि लाइफ में कितनी बार फेल हुआ, आई थिंक आई एम द लाइव एग्जांपल. आई विल डेफिनेटली टच 101 पॉइंट. इट्स वेरी व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि आई एम द लाइव एग्जांपल पर से. सो एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ, जस्ट डू इट. नो नीड टू वरी कि बॉस क्या रिजल्ट आएगा. हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना कि रिजल्ट को पहले सोच लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद में अपने हम प्रोग्राम डिजाइन करने बैठते हैं कि पास होंगे कि फेल होंगे. Correct me if I'm wrong.
So you are right.
You are right, sir.
You're right, sir.
मानते हो ना इस लाइन को?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Believe me, why I'm using these three tagline, because these three tagline is basically a reflection of my personal and professional life. And ये कहीं ना कहीं हर किसी के लाइफ के साथ ये तीन टैगलाइन जुड़ी रहती है. चैंपियंस, express yourself, just do it. And the third one is very important. That's tagline is basically, set the the platform for our today discussion. What next? Come on, guys. What next? किस कंपनी का टैगलाइन है ये? अभी तक सिर्फ वेंकट को एंड शारिका को ही चॉकलेट कंफर्म हुआ है. और ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है आपको डॉक्टर संजीव मालविया से कुछ भी लेने का.
Disney World, sir.
You promised us Cadbury's big one.
Disney World, sir. Disney
It's
World.
Microsoft.
World, sir.
Who said Microsoft?
Sir,
Anmol, right?
Me.
yes, sir.
Or no, there is a tie between Anmol and Sharika, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sharika seems to be an intelligent girl here. Sarika, I would like to see your face, champion.
Sure, sir.
I'm sure आप लोग मुझसे तो ज्यादा ही स्मार्ट हो गए दिखने में. तो प्लीज अपने अपने कैमरे ऑन कीजिए.
Switch on your cameras.
मतलब वो बात अलग है कि मेरी त्वचा से मेरी उम्र का पता नहीं चलता, लेकिन एटलीस्ट आप लोग का तो पता चले मुझे. Sharika and Anmol, yes, Anmol is here. Anmol seems to be an interesting character here.
All the
Sir,
participants.
actually, I've connected with the hotspot, so there is a network issue. That's why I was not able to.
Very good, Sharika. So तुम्हारी एक चॉकलेट कट गई फिर.
No problem, sir.
Okay, guys, I'm just joking. So Microsoft, so can you just connect me? Express yourself, just do it, and what next? You guys have to continuously improve your, skills, improve your knowledge. Don't think or don't feel because you are the subject matter expert. To be very frank, since last 18 years, I am doing talent acquisition, but still I am learning. Every day I am learning something new. I'll give you a quick example. When I have started my journey, almost 17 years back. So we do recruitment, on the basis of hard copy profile or a resume. और हम लोग वो resume client को ना fax किया करते थे. कि sir, these are the 3 candidates are shortlisted for this specific role. On that point of time, internet का उतना craze नहीं होता था. बहुत और भी जो होता था, that's to be an expensive side. So we use normally fax and all other things to do the recruitment drive and all possibilities of things. And today is the scenario we are using the platform of artificial intelligence. So सब कुछ गायब हो गया. The whole thing is totally changed now here. That's why I'm saying कि boss, what next? Continuous, go for a, improve your existing skill sets. It's always better to help you. And believe me, guys, change is always good. कोई बोलते ना कि boss change से मैं डरता हूँ, तो please, no need to fear from the, कि boss change हो रहा है तो मेरा कुछ change हो जाएगा specific career में. अगर आप comfort zone में चले गए तो it's an alarming situation for you people. So continuous improve your knowledge, continuous improve your skill sets. And I'll give you a quick example why I'm saying कि what next का एक बहुत interesting example है, there is a company, one of Fortune 500 worldwide company, and they are the top 10, you can say, the company for the Fortune 500 ranking, and they feel कि we are the best in the industry. I'm sure आज से 10 साल पहले हम लोग जो फोटोग्राफी करते थे तो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज करते थे? 10-15 year back, ज़्यादा भी time नहीं.
Kodak.
Right? So Kodak is the live example, guys. Please focus, because Kodak is the Fortune 500 company, and they feel, because we are the market leader, and that's a fact. They are the market leader in photography and all particular domain. But what they have, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि क्या गलत स्टेप लिया जो उन्होंने अपने आप को कंटिन्यूस इम्प्रूव नहीं किया. क्या आज किसी के पास कोडेक दिखता है हाथ में?
नहीं sir.
No, sir.
See, these are the practical live example. That's what I'm telling you guys. It's an interactive session. I'm not going to give you any gyan and all other things, but I'm going to share the practical live examples. If you can see how was a time पे Kodak is the #1 company for a photography piece of thing, but आज की डेट में हमारे पास वो दिखने को नहीं मिलता. अब वो एंटीक पीस हो गया, मेरे पास भी रखा हुआ है, but उसको हमने सजा के रखा हुआ है. Because they have not upgraded their self, The another example, आज की डेट में मोस्टली क्राउड के पास सैमसंग या ब्लैकबेरी या एंड्रॉइड फोन होगा. नोकिया कोई यूज कर रहा है अभी?
No sir.
No, sir.
One point of time Nokia is the market leader, right?
Yes, sir.
10 में से 9 लोगों के हाथ में नोकिया का ही हैंडसेट उड़ा था. एंड उस पॉइंट पे जब एंड्रॉइड ने मार्केट में नॉक किया था, नोकिया एंड ब्लैकबेरी सेड कि बॉस नो, we are not going to change ourselves. And see the today's scenario. BlackBerry has done very interesting marketing. अगर किसी ने notice किया हो, BlackBerry, we are made for some specific crowd only, and this is a blunder market strategies. कोई बताएगा? एक BlackBerry का ad आता था बहुत ही frequent, we are only made for some specific crowd.
Sir, for BBC News.
Sorry?
Sir, for BBC News.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
They are using for QWERTY keypad.
No, Rich, I'm talking about for the target audience. BlackBerry has identified one specific set of target audience for their phones. So I'm looking for which sort of target audience they have identified.
Sir, like businessmen.
Right.
Businessmen.
So ध्यान पे दिया वो होता है ना कि black to tie and suit के boss, we only made for the top executive class, the BlackBerry phone, and this is one of the biggest marketing strategies failure, जिसकी वजह से उसका product एकदम, because you have identified your phone or describe your character or describe your customer base for one specific piece of thing only, because my phone is only available for those suit boot, जिसे आजकल बोलते हैं ना मोदी साहब की सरकार के लिए सूट बूट की सरकार. So I'm not saying, but these are the fact, because when you are going to be in a professional career, guys, believe me, follow these 3 tagline: express yourself, just do it, and what next. ये 3 टैगलाइन अगर आप लोग फॉलो करेंगे ना, बिलीव मी, आपको किसी राहुल सिंह की और किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. यू गाइस आर सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट. आप लोग अपने फील्ड में एकदम परफेक्ट रोल प्ले कर पाएंगे. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, और इफ समवन हैव सम एनी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस, प्लीज डिस्कस विद मी गाइस. Any suggestions, or if you have, Rahul, I'm not convinced with your thought, please challenge me. And remember, आप जितना interactive session रखेंगे, ये मेरे को उतना decision pull करेगा to be at your university campus for respective for a campus hiring person and all other things. So believe me, guys, आप मान के चलिए कि boss, it's a interactive session that will help me to decide कि okay fine whether I'm going to knock your door or not.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pratibha.
So like you said that people are now not using the Nokia phones because of this. But sir, I need to ask one thing. Like in my family, there are 2 Nokia phone users, but still it is the demand of time that we need to use the high-tech phones. So can we compare it like टाइम चेंज होने की वजह से हम लोगों को मतलब एडवांसमेंट की वजह से फोन स्विच करना पड़ रहा है, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ आवर इंटेंशंस, क्योंकि रिलाय तो हम उस फोन पे भी कर ही सकते हैं ना।
हम डेफिनेटली रिलाय उस फोन पे कर सकते हैं प्रतिभा, बट एक चीज देख रहा हूँ कि वो फोन जिस प्रोसेस पे सरवाइव कर रहा है या जो उसका सॉफ्टवेयर है, अगर आज की डेट में मैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का एक आपको क्विक एग्जांपल दे दूं, आज हम लोग कौन सा विंडोज 10 यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Yes, sir.
और अगर
Yes.
मैं आपको कहूँ विंडो एक्सपी पे चले जाओ या विंडो 7 पे चले जाओ, क्या आज की डेट में जिस हिसाब से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जिस लेवल पे इंटरेक्टिव है, क्या वो सॉफ्टवेयर हमको सपोर्ट कर पाएगा?
No,
No,
sir.
Why
sir.
Microsoft will continuously upgrade? Because they know Nokia ने सिर्फ still to very frank मेरे पास अभी भी Nokia का वो एक 302 वाला जो ब्लू वाला फोन अभी भी रखा हुआ है, बट क्या वो फोन मेरे नीड को एज ऑन टुडे फुलफिल कर पाएगा? द आंसर इज नो। ये सिर्फ वो हेलो करने के लिए काम आ सकता है मेरे को, नॉट फॉर दी अदर एक्टिविटीज। और आज की डेट में 10 में से 8 लोगों के पास स्मार्टफोन है गाइस, एंड सो इफ यू हैव अ स्मार्टफोन देन यू नीड टू यूटिलाइज द एंटायर प्लेटफॉर्म। So I'm not saying or I'm not raising any question. The thought behind is here to was continuous upgrade your skills, because that's matter a lot. बस 18 साल पहले मैं फोन पे इंटरव्यू लिया करता था, और आज की डेट में हम लोग इंटरव्यूज MS Team पे लेते हैं और जूम कॉल्स पे लेते हैं और स्काइप पे लेते हैं. So you can see the entire journey of the piece is changed now. This pandemic has changed our thought process. एक टाइम यही होता था कि जब हम लोगों का एनुअल क्वार्टर मीटिंग होता है तो विल सी कि बॉस call the entire senior management from the entire India at one single place, and that's incur a whole lot of infrastructure cost for us. But nowadays today we are doing, even RBI and SEBI has allowed ki boss for your board meeting, you can do virtual board meeting, and that's approved by our regulators. Why they have approved? Because they have seen ki boss it's not feasible in this pandemic situation for a travel. There is a restriction on travel, movement and all blah blah. So the regulator has find out another set of solution. Boss, okay fine, let's go for a virtual meeting per se. What we are doing currently here, right? So Pratibha, the answer of your question is very clear, boss. Nokia is no doubt one of the best product, but where they have not done right, they have not upgraded their system process.
Sir, may I ask a question, sir?
Yes, Ms. Mukhopadhyay, please tell me.
Sir, it's Iryana. So I just
Okay.
wanted to ask you, if it was holding a position that was a market leader position, so why didn't they evolve themselves after? Matlab, they could have hold that position.
Right.
So what was the strategy? Matlab, why didn't they evolve along with the time?
So that's what I'm telling you. That's why I've used one word called, when you are into a comfort zone, na, आप समझते हो कि बॉस ना वी आर दी बेस्ट, और कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना नहीं चाहते हो आप. यू आर नॉट रेडी टू सी योर कि व्हाट योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर ट्राइंग टू डू. Even in a corporate life also, in my last stint I spent almost 8 years. The first 6 years is very challenging. The last 2 year job is basically, for me it's like a comfort zone. मतलब मैं कभी भी ऑफिस जाऊं, कुछ भी करूं, मतलब no one is going to say, because I have performed, I have created my image, and for me okay fine, I am the top अभी, और what next, nothing for me. So एक जब आप इस सिचुएशन में चले जाते हो ना कि बॉस अभी कुछ नया करने के लिए है ही नहीं, वो आपकी थिंकिंग को ब्लॉक कर देता है. आप मार्केट में एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर रहे हो कि बॉस ठीक है, अगर इफ आई एम एट नंबर 1, लेट्स फाइंड आउट द अनदर सेट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, समथिंग इनोवेटिव.
Can I add something?
Yeah, please.
Sir, Nokia was using Symbian OS, and all other OS was using open source Android OS. That was the main difference why Nokia did not come up. And Symbian OS was written on C++ language, and Android was written on Java. And Java was virtualized. There are a lot of more contribution on Java, and that why Nokia did not pitch in the market.
This is a perfect, the answer was given by what, Franklin?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Franklin, thanks, champ. This is an actual technical yes or no answer. What is the reason behind it? But I'll add you something here. Even Android people have approached Nokia. Ki boss, these are the new set of people, system what we are designing. Would you like to accept our proposal? And Nokia on that point of time, they said, no, we are the best. C++ और जब Java आया था ना, so people are confused कि whether still they feel वो C++ or is a perfect coding language, और Java तो आज है कल नहीं होगा. So no one is ready to accept the change, and believe me, if you people are ready to accept the change, now things will be different.
Excuse me, sir.
Break your comfort zone, please. Yes, Tanmay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Tanmay, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would want to add on, I want to take your opinion regarding Nokia phones has combined hand with Microsoft. So what do you think, sir? It's a disaster decision, and it's a positive decision they have taken, because earlier Nokia was the brand. So in 2010 they combined together, they formed a pact with Microsoft. So sir, that's why the Nokia brand value reduced when they combined hand with.
See, they have definitely combined the hand with Microsoft and all other things, but I'll give you another example of Google. Google itself has their Android phone, Google Pixel. Is anyone using Google phones, smartphones?
Google Pixel.
So I'm telling you, because finding out the right set of partner is also another key here. Because Microsoft and Nokia definitely they are into a software development and all, but again Microsoft, their USP is to creating the various interesting software, but vice versa Nokia is. So another reason for a failure of Nokia is because people are very rigid. नहीं बॉस, हमारे को हमारे हिसाब से ही आप चेंजेस करके दीजिए. They are not ready to understand what my customer is looking for. And believe me, in a corporate life or in any set of professional, the customer is the king here. And if you're not able to understand the demand of your customer, you are not going to survive. अब मेरे कस्टमर को चाहिए कि बॉस मेरे को ये इजी प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं सारी चीजें एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ. इन वन सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म आई कैन एक्सेस ऑल सेट ऑफ process or system or guidelines, but Nokia people are not ready to accept the thing. Even those people are not ready to leave that quadri keyboard concept. They are not ready to accept touch screen wala successful ho sakta hai ki nahi ho sakta hai, because their team is not ready to understand. They're not ready to listen the customer feedback. On the other hand side, Samsung jo koi bhi Samsung is known for the consumer durable industries, guys, right? Phone to bahut baad mein banana shuru kiya hai usne. But what they have done, they have started from the consumer level, and they feel this consumer level market is full of competitive, a whole lot of players are there, LG, Sony and other players are there. So this market is very competitive now. So let's identify another set of products as well. So they have continuously improved their product buy cycle or added new product as per their customer demand. And they have identified, this Android is going to play a vital role down the line next 5 to 6 years. When they have started this, phone making journey, and you can see now the Samsung is one of the market leader, I think world #1 mobile manufacturer company, right?
But sir, you said that Nokia was not ready to quit the keypad thing.
Yeah.
In their phones. But sir, they have also launched the Lumia phones.
They have launched, but वही होता है कि the time is the key ना champion. जब मुझे चाहिए तब आपने लॉन्च नहीं किया, और जब मुझे नहीं चाहिए तब आप लॉन्च करोगे, जब मार्केट में ऑलरेडी आपसे बेटर प्रोस्पेक्ट है मेरे पास, तो मैं किसको नॉक करूंगा? So time is the key. Please try to change is always good, but you have to go with the time. You have to continuously improve your skills. You have to continuously improve your system process guidelines, but with the time. आप जब आज की डेट में नोकिया आप एंड्रॉइड फोन लॉन्च कर रहा है, तो उसका क्या सैमसंग को कुछ मार्केट में इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है, या एमआई फोन जो आया उसको क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है? द आंसर इज हार्डली नो. आप आए तो, लेकिन बहुत लेट आए मार्केट में
सर, क्योंकि मार्केट में बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स पहले ही आ चुके थे जब नोकिया एंड्रॉइड ये विंडोज लेके आया था.
That's why, because they are late. So please try to focus on this word called time. Tanmay, you have touched very important point, but the time is the key here.
Okay, sir.
सो टाइम के साथ कभी भी वो मत कीजिएगा आप लोग, क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट. इफ दिस इज द राइट टाइम एंड गो एंड देन जस्ट डू इट. नो नीड टू फियर अबाउट कि बॉस मैं पास होऊंगा कि फेल होऊंगा. एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहिए. एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे, यू विल बी रॉक स्टार. Okay, the next point, when we are doing any piece of thing, especially in a corporate sector, our entire focus has to be on a triple P concept. P, triple P concept. Believe me guys, when you are going to start your corporate journey, be it in credit, be it in sales, or be it in support, or be it in marketing, or any sort of role, this triple P concept is going to be a key player. So can anyone help me to understand what is the definition of P, first P, the second P, and the third P?
Sir, public-private partnership.
Twinkle Gupta, right?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Twinkle, and you have the bang on first reply. आपका बहुत अच्छा आया, people.
So people, place.
Okay, so first Twinkle ने first word को define कर दिया है, people. Can anyone help me to understand another two P?
Sir, personality.
Sorry?
Personality. Proportion, sir.
Purpose. Productivity.
No.
Possibility.
The process.
Process. Who said process?
The Deepshikha.
Deepshikha said process.
I have also said, sir, process.
Okay, I'm really sorry, champion.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir. Third one is product, sir.
Third one is product. थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करते हैं. The people and the process is clear. What about the third one?
Productivity.
Profit.
Profit. Who said profit?
Sir, Sonali Bhatt.
सोनाली ब्रेकफास्ट किया आपने?
Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है चैम.
Sir, I said profit.
वेरी
Am
गुड.
I audible now?
प्रॉफिट तो सबसे मोस्ट, मतलब धंधे का मेन वो क्या होता है, प्रॉफिट. So be it in any role, be it if let's take an example, if some of you people have feels, boss, I am going to start my own, setup. I'm not going to be entered into a corporate life and all. So this triple P is again going to play a vital role here. When you start anything, when you start your career, be it as an employee or as an entrepreneur, the first thing is what you need is the people. People is your first customer. Right? If your customer is happy, वो जिसे बोलते हैं ना 360-degree cycle, if your customer is happy, so no need to worry about your business then. And if you get into a HR domain, so now you can understand how important the people is. You can opt for the any system, you can get it the entire system, the best platform and all, but ultimate उस platform को बनाने वाला और run करने वाला कौन होगा?
People.
So you people are my customer, right? So
Yes,
for me,
sir.
because if my customer is happy, I'm going to be survive in any situation. So for any organization, your first customer is your people. So remember this thing. When you started your corporate journey, your peers, your stakeholder, your senior, your juniors is your customer. Treat your customer like how you are treating your parents to verify. The second P said what?
Process.
Second was process. Describe why process is important.
So because
Hello.
To bring out something meaningful, so we need to transform something.
So there should be a process, because if we don't do work by a process, then there will be problems in the organization.
it should be a
Sir,
pre-planned.
process can help us in go in a hierarchy to work like people can work as per the process.
Okay, come on, something interesting.
Sir, process can transform something valuable, like transforming something into valuable.
Will help us eventually to grow. Like we have to follow a particular process in order to grow.
The process helps us to improve the productivity
One by one,
of
guys.
the
One by one, please.
So if
The process helps to increase the productivity of the product, sir.
Great. काफी अच्छे input मिले आप लोगों से. So I'll add you something here very interesting. Why process is very important. Twinkle has said very interesting, or you can say the bang on reply, because if you are into any product or any line of business or any role, if you have defined your entire SOP, what we call standing the operating plan or SLA कह लो या SOP कह लो या process chart कह लो कि boss, if I'm going to start my manufacturing setup, just take an example, आप कुछ भी product manufacture कर रहे हो, so if you define your entire SOP or a process. Anyone wants to say something here? Hello?
Mute yourself if you are not interacting then. Please unmute. Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah, so this process again is a very important tool. If you follow the process, the things will be on a structured way. Maybe it will take time, but the result is sure shot is on the optimistic side only. And if you not follow the process and if you take any shortcut route, कि नहीं बॉस इसको थोड़ा शॉर्टकट करके हम आगे चले जाते हैं, बिलीव मी गाइस, शॉर्टकट कभी भी लाइफ में आपको सक्सेस नहीं देगा. एक दिन बड़े लेट हो जाओ चलेगा, लेकिन फॉलो द एंटायर प्रोसेस, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि जो है. एंड द प्रोफेशनल करियर इज टोटली अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड स्मार्ट वर्क. It's not only hard working or it's not only a smart worker can survive. The combination of both is very important here. And the third and the most important is what? The another last piece means? Profit. So हम लोग धंधा किस लिए करते हैं? कि भैया जो भी ultimate goal is very clear, is what? Revenue, profit.
True, sir.
Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do people have understand what is the importance of triple P?
Yes.
People, process and profit. ये जो 360 degree cycle ये तीनों P का मिलता है ना, that will be the best. Now let me वैसे डॉक्टर संजीव मालविया जी ने बहुत अच्छा मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है, but now let me ask you people, what I'm sure you people have done some sort of a homework about me. Who am I? Or anyone has identified something unique in my profile? Let me see कितना homework किया आप लोगों ने. And again please, कोई मेरा LinkedIn profile कोई कुछ नहीं अभी चेक करेगा.
सर एक बार आप रिपीट करेंगे क्या?
ओके, ये किसने पूछा, रिपीट करेंगे प्लीज?
सर अंबुज सक्सेना से.
अंबुज साहब, मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपने मेरे बारे में कितना रिसर्च किया है?
सर कुछ रिसर्च नहीं किया सर.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
Anmol.
sir. Sir, you have started initially, I think, from the recruitment background itself, and you have reached to the national manager position, to the T8 and TM, something like this.
ये तो डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया था अनमोल. Why I'm asking this question, please, उसके पीछे भी बहुत important agenda है. I have used that word called research. So let me hear, because it's very important कि आप लोगों को पता था कि 3 दिन पहले से कि कौन आ रहा है आप लोगों को इतना interesting session जिसमें आप लोगों का सिर दर्द हो जाने वाला है. Tell me guys, I hope you people are liking, or it's just
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
or
Yes,
if
sir.
you want, I can
Definitely, sir.
usually start with the PowerPoint presentation. That, to very frank, I hate
It's good, sir.
PPTs. So मुझे कोई बताएगा मेरे बारे में किसने कितना रिसर्च किया है? सर डॉक्टर साहब, ये आपने नोटिस बोर्ड पे कब लगाया था कि इनका इंटरेक्शन मेरे साथ होने वाला है?
I think Deepshika has raised the hand.
दीपशिका ने म्यूट कर रखा है. Guys, believe me, this is a very important topic, research. That's why I'm asking you, boss, why? And initial, when we have started our conversation, I have used, boss, no need to, fear about the failure concept. So I'm going to give you the justification why research and failure is both are important.
Anyone?
Sir, can I say something?
Sir, you are free to say anything, Ambuj.
Sir, research is that step where we try to invent something so that, and failure is something after trying many attempts.
Ambos, champ, you need to understand one thing first. Listening is an art. Remember, listening is an art. क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनो, उसके बाद उसका आंसर दो. टेक योर टाइम. मेरा क्वेश्चन बहुत क्लियर है कि what you people have done any research about me. I'm not asking about the definition of research and failure.
Okay, sir. That's why I asked you, can you repeat the question, sir?
I'm really sorry, Ambos, then it's my mistake. Please.
No problem.
कोई बताएगा आप लोगों ने मेरे बारे में कितना? अभी तो डॉक्टर संजीव साहब ने बहुत ही सॉलिड प्रोफाइल बताया मेरा. A quick, this is very important, guys. Why I'm asking, this question? Believe me, इसके पीछे बहुत ही interesting concept है. The self motivation. I'm going to touch, 2 or 3 more interesting topic here, and then we are going to add a session. I'm going to talk about the self motivation. I'm going to talk about emotional intelligence, and I'm going to talk about the failure. So believe me, these 3 topics are very interesting. And I'm going to give you the live examples here. So please, किसी ने कुछ तो स्टडी किया होगा कि ऐसे जस्ट सारे आ गए बैठ के?
A few days ago, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, champ, tell me.
Few days ago, I saw your LinkedIn profile, sir, that when the poster was released, so that time I seen that you have studied in economics and you have worked in Aditya Birla also, sir.
Okay. I have asked, something unique in my profile, but it looks like in 90% crowd ने मेरा profile study नहीं किया है. Say yes.
I have
Yes,
gone
sir.
through your profile once.
Because accept करने में ना कोई किसी का वो नहीं होता है. Yes, नहीं
Yes,
देखा नहीं
sir.
देखा. Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. So let me start, give you some insight to why I'm asking this question. So guys, I'm from a, army family background. My dad is a retired honorary captain, from engineers, and we are settled down in Roorkee. And as I told you guys, कि देहरादून तो हम लोग just घूमने के लिए और पार्टी करने के लिए आते थे. देहरादून Pacific. देहरादून, Rishikesh, these are our 2 favorite destinations, Pacific. So on that point of time, no one is there in our family to provide us a career guidance per se. What sort of career guidance? What I have received from my family? Rahul, 10वीं पास करो और फौज में भर्ती हो जाओ, या तो ग्रेजुएट करो और clear your NDA exams and get into army. The only one piece of career guidance what we have is join army, right? But you can say my dad height is 6'1" and my mom is what exact 5'1". So मेरी height मैं अपनी मम्मी की हाइट लेके मैं सक्सेसफुली आज इस करियर पे बैठा हुआ हूँ. बट जस्ट बिकॉज माय हाइट इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क टू जॉइन इंडियन आर्मी, वो जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि आपका ड्रीम तो बस, मेरे डैड का ड्रीम तो चकनाचूर हो गया कि बॉस मेरा लड़का तो अभी आर्मी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता है. सो व्हाट नेक्स्ट? सो रिमेंबर आई एम यूजिंग दोस स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स ओनली जो जिसका हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट नेक्स्ट? Okay, fine. So I have identified economics is one of my favorite subjects. I have done master in economics. That's एक बहुत अच्छा subject लगता था मुझे economics, and to verify, I hate maths, but I love economics. Ultimate दोनों cousin brothers ही हैं relative में, economics और maths कह सकते हो आप लोग. But so masters in economics, started my journey with sales background from Citibank. I used to sales credit card in Delhi NCR market, and believe me, आप इकोनॉमिक्स करके आपका फर्स्ट जॉब सेल्स का होता है, वो भी दिल्ली एनसीआर मार्केट में. आपको डोर टू डोर पेट्रोल पंप पे खड़ा होके और एटीएम के आगे खड़ा होके जब आप क्रेडिट कार्ड सेल करोगे ना, then you will get the feeler of what is sales. That will help me to जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि बॉस identify your customer in a quick 2-minute call only, whether he is going to buy your product or not. So the first job is a sales, and I'm a firm believer कि बॉस लाइफ में एक बार तो सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग जरूर करना. ये आपको लाइफ का जीना, मतलब जिसे बोलते हैं ना, सिनेरियो पूरा चेंज कर देगी. आपका नजरिया जो देखने का है ना लाइफ को, वो एकदम चेंज हो जाएगा. So what I'm saying, being an economist, started my journey from Citibank, used credit card for Delhi NCR market. Then the next move is to HR consultancy job, where I have learned what is recruitment, right? Spent almost 5 years and leading the entire BFSI vertical from Enward Japan New Era India consultancy company, and we used to do a monthly annual billing of 2.5 CR. आज से 18 साल पहले अगर किसी को आप 2.5 करोड़ का धंधा करके दोगे ना, उसका महीने का और साल का आप निकाल के दोगे कि बॉस मैं 15 करोड़ का आपको प्रॉफिट देता हूँ, that was be wow 18 years back with a team size of 15 team member, right? And from a consulting to a next jump is with the HSBC. HSBC known for the the rule book organization, highly process driven, highly compliance oriented, and there is a no nonsense sort of thing. You are not go to be there to change any sort of process. If you want to change anything, you have to follow the entire process, guidelines, system, and then you are going to recommend your point why you want to change that specific process. So HSBC has taught me what is process, what is compliance, follow the guidelines, and just do it. जो है आप उसी में करो. No need to किसी ने okay, एक और interesting question, then I'll continue with my existing topic. So कोई है यहाँ जो मुंबई का हो या रेस कोर्स किसी ने देखा? वैसे देहरादून में भी है रेस कोर्स.
Yes sir, I have seen it. Yes sir. सर यहाँ भी है कोलकाता में.
एक घोड़ा होता है जो टांगे में बंधा होता है और एक घोड़ा होता है जो रेस कोर्स में दौड़ता है. होते दोनों घोड़े हैं, राइट?
Yes sir.
डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों?
Yes sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, please, Praful.
एक का गोल होता है और दूसरे का सर कोई गोल नहीं होता है किसी चीज का, वो बस ऐसे दौड़े जाता है रोड पे.
प्रफुल तुम्हारा आंसर मतलब मैं आई कांट से कि इज द परफेक्ट बैंग ऑन आंसर, बट यस कहीं ना कहीं कोरिलेट हो रहा है. सो इट्स अ गुड अटेम्प्ट. I'll help you to give you some more insight. Yes guys.
So myself Kunjal Shah.
Yes.
I think the one definition you gave, according to that, the one who run that earn.
Okay.
जो मेहनत करता है वही उसको ही कुछ मिलता है वैसा.
यार देख मेहनत
related to that.
That's what I'm telling you कि मेहनत तो गधा भी करता है, लेकिन गधे की डिमांड होती है क्या मार्केट में? I'm really sorry to use that word.
No sir.
फिर बॉस ऐसा मौका तुम लोगों को दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा इंटरेक्टिव सेशन का.
एक पे मेहनत की जाती है और एक पे नहीं की जाती है.
One is trained to run in the race course and another is
Sir, one is identified.
पता है मैंने एक बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछा है. मैंने आप लोग को पहले भी बोला था लिसनिंग इज एन आर्ट, और मैंने आप लोग को एक छोटा सा हिंट भी दिया था. प्लीज ट्राई टू ग्रैब दैट हिंट. मैंने जब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि बॉस जो रेस में घोड़ा दौड़ता है और जो टांगे में घोड़ा होता है उसमें और क्या डिफरेंस है, मैंने अभी भी हाथ उठाया.
सर दोनों
जो रेस में घोड़ा दौड़ता है
साइड से वो ढके हुए रहते हैं.
देखो जो टांगे में घोड़ा बंधा होता है,
जो रेस में घोड़ा
Sir, can I answer?
Yes boss, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
सर आई थिंक जो दोनों की डोर पकड़ी हुई है, सो आई थिंक एक जो है वो अच्छे से मतलब दोनों को अपनी लिमिटेशंस पता है और दोनों को अपना डायरेक्शन पता है. सो अगर रेस कोर्स में अगर एक घोड़ा दौड़ रहा है तो उसको उसकी पता है कि उसका एंड मतलब पॉइंट क्या है और उसका कितना टाइम लगने वाला है जीतने के लिए. और वही जो आई थिंक जिसको दोनों एक्चुअली दोनों सिचुएशन में दोनों की इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस है, बट इट डिपेंड्स कि दोनों का गोल क्या है. मतलब ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है सर.
May I say
something sir?
May I?
Go ahead.
Sir, I wanted to say that the घोड़ा जो रेस कोर्स में भागता है उसके पास वो फ्लिप्स नहीं लगे होते, तो he can tip and trick to win. And जो टांगे पे होता है उसको वन डायरेक्शन ही दिखाई देता है, सो दैट वो इधर उधर भटके नहीं अपनी जगह से. दैट यू मेड द एग्जांपल ऑफ HSBC that they don't want to change, like they want.
Right. Bang on answer. डॉक्टर साहब एक और चॉकलेट आपका निकल गया अभी जेब से.
Good sir.
So guys, why I'm asking this, please remember दोनों घोड़े होते हैं, दोनों का अपना टास्क डिफाइन होता है, एंड दे आर डूइंग देयर जॉब द बेस्ट. बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? यू नो, वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द डिफरेंस हियर. जो टांगे में जो घोड़ा होता है, टांगे वाला घोड़ा कहाँ चलता है? रोड पे चलेगा जहाँ बहुत क्राउड होगा, ट्रैफिक होगा, हॉर्न होगा, नॉइस होगा. वो उसके आंखों के आगे वो जिसे बोलते हैं ना, फ्लिप इसलिए लगाया जाता है कि वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो अपने स्पेसिफिक गोल से. क्योंकि अगर उसकी आंखों के आगे वो नहीं होगा ना, तो वो क्या ना, फिर इधर उधर देखता रहेगा और वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता रहेगा, और वो अपने टारगेट, उसका मेन काम है कि बॉस जो सवारी पीछे बैठी है उनको सेफली उनके डेस्टिनेशन पे और अपने मास्टर के इंस्ट्रक्शन पे उसको फॉलो करता हुआ जाए. अब किसी ने अगर रेस के घोड़े को देखा हो या उसके जॉकी को देखा हो, क्यों नहीं रेस के घोड़े के आंखों के आगे वो होता है? और ये बताओ, और कभी जॉकी को देखा, जब वो राइड करता है तो एक बार आगे भी देखता है और ऐसे पीछे मुड़ के भी देखता है. कभी नोटिस किया आप लोग ने ये चीज?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसका डेफिनेशन ये होता है कि बॉस, यस डेफिनेटली उसको फर्स्ट आना है रेस में, लेकिन कंटिन्यू उसने ये भी देखना है कि मेरे साथ में जो मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर दौड़ रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. वो कुछ यूनिक तो नहीं कर रहे हैं जो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ या मैं भूल गया हूँ आगे जाने के चक्कर में. क्लियर गाइस?
Yes, sir.
सो वेयर आई एम, कहाँ
Yes,
हमने
sir.
टॉपिक छोड़ा था?
Sir, HSBC.
HSBC and HSBC taught me to understand what is the process, guidelines, compliance, and follow the rule book concept organization. Right? And when I joined HSBC as a leading the talent acquisition for the entire Pan India for retail equity vertical, and can anyone help me 2008, 2009 में ऐसा कौन सा event हुआ था जो बहुत ही stressful था?
Financial crisis.
Sir, inflation or the financial
Right. So when I joined in 2008-09 to lead the recruitment vertical for a bank like HSBC, and उस time पे आपको financial crisis hit करता है, and HSBC is the organization कि for them if you are not doing anything, you are good for nothing. So your job is into a big question mark. So for me, it's a very tough to survive on that time, because there is no hiring, because the market is in a deep shade. The hiring is freeze. So what next? मैं क्या करूँ next? So what I have done, I thought कि fine, let me learn, let me enhance my other HR capabilities. Maybe I am good into talent acquisition, but in entire 360-degree HR, there is a talent development, there is a talent management, there is a talent engagement, learning and development, comp and ben, entire HOps, the entire guidelines. There's a big, basket into HR domain. So what I have done, I have diverted my attention from a talent acquisition to focus on the other HR activities, and I have learned, कि कोई बात नहीं, मैं fail होगा, let me go and accept this challenge to learn the other HR, piece of thing. What HSBC taught me in 08, 09, I think 09 के end तक आते 10 में first quarter में market again back on track, and then hiring has started, and so hiring is my forte. So we used to hire almost 1,500 to 2,000 person in a month per se in an equity, because when you are into a retail set of business, the number could be a very high. I have seen in my professional journey, from 100 employee to almost 2,500 employee in a month we have hired. Right? So after HSBC, the next jump is what I have taken a assignment of Aditya Birla Finance. It's a startup organization. There is no CEO, there is no CFO, there's only one business who is leading my capital market business with a market cap of 200 crore. Can anyone help me? What is market cap?
The market share of the company.
Okay. Anmol trading करता है? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You do trading?
No, sir.
Market capitalization.
Okay, so market cap is definitely what you people have said. So the purpose behind it, why I'm telling you the story of my quick snapshot, when I have joined Aditya Birla, the task was assigned to me, Rahul, we need to create the entire organization from the scratch. So what I have done, I have recruited my CEO, my CFO, my relationship manager, the front-end staff. From 30 team member to we have created in a year approx 400 plus numbers. We have, you know, the business numbers from 200 crores to 15,000 crore within a couple of years. What we have seen the journey, and the Aditya Birla Finance today is known in the industry as Aditya Birla Capital. Rakesh or the other prospect, Mr. Tushar. So these are the resources whom I have personally, you know, met and recruited. You know, when I joined Trey Infrastructure, we have a bank in Austria called Austrian Anadi Bank. RBI guidelines, on the other hand side, you know, European banking guidelines, there's a two set of regulator, but the guidelines is totally different. In India, we are using Basel III, but in European countries, the Basel III is in as a regulator, most of the industries are using here. So continuous improving your knowledge is the key. Now, why I'm asking you, telling you this story, बस आप ये सोचो कि मैंने तो इकोनॉमिक्स किया, इकोनॉमिक्स करके फर्स्ट जॉब मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपना सेल्स से, सेकंड जॉब एचआर कंसल्टेंसी एंड द थर्ड जॉब इज हार्डकोर एचआर पास से. सो पढ़ाई मैंने क्या की है, करियर कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया और मैं लैंड कहाँ होता हूँ. So what you all have learned here in the entire 360-degree piece of thing, tell me.
Adaptability, sir.
Great. Anything else?
Flexibility.
Flexibility.
To not give up.
To be adjusted in any kind of situation and profession.
Be dynamic.
And adopting the change.
To grab the
Change with the time,
opportunities.
sir. Change according to time and perspective, sir. What is the market demanded?
Flexible, sir.
Out of a comfort zone.
Right.
Change is the only constant.
Exploring what you got, you have done best in that.
तो आज का टॉपिक क्या था हमारा?
Pandemic and eye
ओपनर ने हमें क्या सबसे अच्छा सिखाया है कि बॉस जो चेंज से हम लोग भागते थे आज उसी चेंज को हम लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are adapting the new things.
And one point of time we are not at all keen to go for a no boss, I'm not comfortable for a Skype call, I'm not comfortable for a, you know, a video call, let's have a personal interaction. You know, this is the basically the mode of interaction. But today's, look at here, I'm interacting I think more than, how many students are here?
190
including you.
Approx
190.
200 champions are here in front of me. So the purpose behind this, you know, telling my story is basically, see, no need to worry about anything. Fine, you guys have done masters in, you know, respective subject and all other things, but career आपको कहाँ ले जाके पटकेगा, you never know. The time is very powerful. So no need to worry on that point of time कि boss मैंने किया क्या है, but अभी मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ. See, my economics is still helping me a lot. I have a fair understanding of my business. हम लोग बिजनेस करते क्या है, हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या है, मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है, उनका प्रॉफिट कितना है, उनका बैलेंस शीट साइज कितना है, उनका एनपीए कितना है, व्हाट इज माय कॉस्ट ऑफ फंडिंग, व्हाट इज देयर कॉस्ट ऑफ फंडिंग, यू नो, दैट विल हेल्प मी थ्रू माय इकोनॉमिक्स फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड. आई एम स्टिल यूटिलाइजिंग. नो नीड टू वरी कि जो मैं कर चुका हूं इट्स अ वेस्ट. नो, इट्स अ बेसिकली अ स्किल एंड इट्स अ एसेट एंड वी नीड टू यूटिलाइज आवर एसेट इन एंटायर लाइफ स्पैन. राइट गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी लास्ट टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट एन आवर. नहीं तो संजीव जी हमको वार्निंग दे देंगे कि राहुल खत्म करो अपना लेक्चर. और आई एम हैप्पी टू इंटरेक्ट विद यू पीपल फॉर अनदर कपल ऑफ आवर इफ यू पीपल आर फाइन.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
are
sir.
good with it, sir.
We are good. Yes, sir.
Even we are enjoying.
People are enjoying. मुझे पता है मन में तुम क्या एंजॉय कर रहे हैं सबके चेहरे. आई एम अ सर्टिफाइड साइकोलॉजिस्ट आल्सो. I can read faces. So tell me guys. Okay, एक और एग्जांपल डिस्कस करते हैं. एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. एक मूवी आई थी इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस पे, बहुत ही पॉपुलर हुई थी. एक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एक्टर हैज प्लेड दैट रोल, but मैं अभी नाम नहीं बताऊंगा. And I love to hear from you people. You know, there is an example. You know, the best of I'm sure you people are aware what is emotional intelligence. I'm not able to hear you guys.
To control your
Yes, sir.
emotions. So I think to use your
And use it in the right way.
to understand the emotions of other
To
people
perceive
too.
someone from it,
To be able to balance your emotions.
So there is a movie जो बनी हुई है and it's a live example of emotional intelligence. और उसने एक ऐसा काम कर दिया था अपने किसी एक स्पेसिफिक फैमिली मेंबर के प्यार में, आप कह लो, जो अनबिलीवेबल था, जो कोई नहीं कर सकता था. मतलब इट्स अनरियलिस्टिक थिंग व्हाट ही हैज डन. Can anyone help me to understand what's the name of that movie?
Is it a recent movie?
No, it's not. It's like हाँ 3-4 साल हो गए उस मूवी को, but it's a live story.
बॉलीवुड
It's a bilingual.
It's a Bollywood movie. It's a Hindi Bollywood movie. और बोलिए.
MS Dhoni, MS Dhoni.
मांझी द माउंटेन मैन किसने बोला?
दशरथ मांझी.
दशरथ मांझी, राइट. मांझी द माउंटेन मैन. वो स्टोरी क्या थी? कोई क्विक बताएगा जिसने बताया? मांझी.
Sir, वो अपनी wife के
Dashrath
लिए
Manjhi has
अपनी-
carved the mountains in the love of his wife in 22 years. And he had done this alone, and it is situated in Bihar. The Gahlor Ghati is the name of the mountain that he had carved.
गाइस, स्वाति के लिए क्लैप करो आप लोग. स्वाति ने पूरी स्टोरी बता दी उसकी. तो
I would like to quote one dialogue also. जब तक तोड़ेगा नहीं, तब तक छोड़ेगा.
छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
So that's what I'm telling you guys. Please, मैंने आपको क्या बोला था कि it has to be an interactive session और बहुत अच्छे एग्जांपल हम लोग यूज करेंगे. वो एक्चुअल पर्सनली लाइफ ने लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ में जिया है. इट्स नॉट कि मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं बॉस एक कहीं लिखा हुआ है. नो, इट्स अ लाइव एग्जांपल. मिस्टर मांझी जो स्वाति ने अभी बहुत ही ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब कर दिया है कि बॉस उसने एक ऐसा काम किया जो नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग करने से पहले 10 बार सोचेगा, और लोग उसको आते जाते पागल भी बोलते थे. एंड ही हैज सीन होल लॉट ऑफ challenges, but his emotional intelligence, because he is emotionally so powerful, और मतलब जिसे बोलते हैं वो अपनी वाइफ से इतना प्यार करता था जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो एक एक्सीडेंट की वजह से उसकी वाइफ नहीं जा सकी डॉक्टर के पास, क्योंकि वो माउंटेन बीच में आता था उसके गांव से वहां तक जाने के लिए बीच में. एंड ही हैज डिसाइडेड कि जो मेरे वाइफ के साथ हो और किसी के साथ ना हो, मैं इस पहाड़ को तोड़ ही दूंगा और यहाँ से रास्ता बना के रहूंगा. और उसने एक छेनी हथौड़ी लेके गाइस वो एक्चुअल में रास्ता बना दिया. So what we have learned, if you are emotionally strong, believe me, बड़े से बड़े challenges आएंगे ना, कोई टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं. But you have to be emotionally strong and self-motivated. जब मांझी साहब कर सकते हैं तो आप लोग तो माशाल्लाह सब पढ़े लिखे और इंटेलिजेंट अच्छे फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से हो, राइट?
Yes, sir.
यस सर कि नो सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Definitely, sir.
बट एक इशू है सर इसमें. सर हॉलीवुड में एक मूवी आई थी दी असॉल्ट ऑन वॉल स्ट्रीट. सर उसमें लाइक जो एक्टर था उसकी वाइफ ने सुसाइड कर लिया था जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव इन्वेस्टेड अ मनी इन द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स एंड सब वो पैसा चला गया था. एंड ब्रोकर्स कह रहे थे कि ऐसा होता रहता है एंड ब्रोकर्स वर अर्निंग गुड. So his wife has committed suicide and he had literally killed more than 100 people on the Wall Street, literally all the company heads and all the brokers in the market. So can we say it's in a negative thing also?
ये एक नजरिया अगर देखेगा ना चैंपियन, इट्स अ टोटली डिफरेंट गेम ऑल टुगेदर. व्हाट ही हैज डन, बिकॉज उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया था पैसा और वो जस्ट बिकॉज few bunches of people has not followed the right practice. It's a clear cut case of integrity issues. पर से वो मूवी मैंने देखी हुई है. उसमें क्या करते हैं ना कि कुछ इन्वेस्टर और कुछ ब्रोकर्स मिलके कस्टमर के पैसे को घुमा देते हैं. अल्टीमेट जो इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि कुछ भी कहीं भी इन्वेस्ट भी करना या कुछ भी करना तो अपनी तरफ से ड्यू डिलिजेंस होता है ना कि रीड दोस प्रोस्पेक्टस वेरी केयरफुली वाला कॉन्सेप्ट. आपने साइन कर दिया, उसके बाद फिर आप नहीं जानते हो कि उसमें जो छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं ना उसका डेफिनेशन क्या होता है. नो नीड टू वरी पर से. टाइम लो लेकिन प्रॉपरली कुछ भी डॉक्यूमेंट साइन करना. वो क्योंकि उसकी वाइफ ने सुसाइड कर लिया और वो अपनी वाइफ से डेफिनेटली अटैच था. उसने बोला कि जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ है मैं उन सबको मार डालूंगा. बट ये डिस्ट्रक्शन इन नेचर है. और मांझी का जो एग्जांपल है उसने क्या किया कि ठीक है मेरी वाइफ मरी, अगर वो भी चाहता तो गांव के मुखिया को, क्योंकि मुखिया ने तो पैसे लिए थे रोड बनाने के लिए, राइट?
Yes.
वो क्या पैसा बना मिला? उसने क्या उनको जाके मारा? उसने क्या किया? कोई बात नहीं, लोग ने जो अच्छा किया किया, दैट इज देयर थॉट प्रोसेस, बट लेट मी डू माय जॉब. हिज जॉब इज वेरी क्लियर कि बॉस मुझे तो रोड बनाना ही है. अब वो चाहे
The John Wick is also an example of this emotional intelligence.
So why I'm telling you guys कि बस follow those examples. जब ये रियल ह्यूमन बीइंग है जिन्होंने ये चैलेंजेस फेस किए हैं एंड दे हैव डन. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं भी हूँ आप लोगों के सामने. मैं इकोनॉमिक्स करके क्या कर रहा हूँ आज की डेट में, एचआर पिछले 18 साल से कर रहा हूँ. स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी विद सेल्स एंड बिलीव मी, अगर आप दिल्ली में जाके कहीं क्रेडिट कार्ड बेचो ना तो लोग, पता है कोई दिल्ली का है यहाँ हाथ खड़ा करेगा?
Yes, sir.
सो शारिका, आपको पता है ना दिल्ली में कुछ भी बेचने जाओ तो लोग सबसे पहला वर्ड क्या यूज करते हैं? हाँ.
Yes.
तो दिल्ली इज द मार्केट जो सबको ना सबको सिखा देती है. सब बोलते हैं कि नहीं, अगर सेल्स करना है तो दिल्ली में जाओ, और इन्वेस्टमेंट का रोल करना है तो मुंबई में जाओ, और आईटी करना है तो बेंगलोर में जाओ.
Yes, sir.
ये 3 सिटी है ना जो आपको घोल के खिला देगी कि क्या रोल होता है वो. राइट गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I love to answer, if you have any questions in your mind related to your career, related to your professional goal, कि आगे जाके क्या करना है, how to face corporate houses, anything.
So may I?
Yeah, please, Sharika.
So, according to you, what are the HR qualities a manager should have in nowadays?
The only one and all quality is he has to be a people-centric. Right, Sharika?
Sir, I also have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, like you said, you have worked with HSBC, which is a Chinese company.
It's not a Chinese company. The corporate office is in Hong Kong. So
Yeah.
you can't say it's a Chinese company.
But yeah, sir, the work culture is like they are more of like they are following the Chinese one, like it's Hong Kong Shanghai Bank China, I guess, the full form of HSBC. And right now you are working with AU Small Finance Bank. So both are having different culture. So, sir, like right now, if you get the opportunity, the same position in HSBC, would you prefer to go, or you would be love to work with a Indian company?
So there's no definition or a question here whether I'm going to work for MNC or I'm going to work for an Indian multinational company.
Yes, sir.
For me, the motivational factor is that what kind of role I'm going to do there, right? Why I have joined AU Small Finance Bank, even 20 days back only I have joined this bank, right? So isse pehle main Shrey Infrastructure mein tha, and why I have joined AU Small Finance Bank. Had anyone going to tell me what is the definition of स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक? ये आरबीआई ने कहां से कॉन्सेप्ट निकाला स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक का?
Providing from Bangladesh, sir.
People.
Sir, providing loans to rural and small persons who are who are not having the access to bank.
Providing loans to the MSMEs.
This small finance bank concept come from the Bangladesh, sir. Where
Praveen, you have touched a very important point here, and guys, Praveen के लिए भी clap करो please. क्योंकि जो होता है ना कि स्टोरी कहाँ से आई है, जन्म कहाँ से हुआ है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. और प्रवीण को पता है कि जन्म कहाँ से हुआ है स्मॉल फाइनेंस सेक्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट. बट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड हियर, इंडिया में ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने कंपनीज, बिजनेस लाइन सुने होंगे, माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनीज. What they do basically, they target those all rural segment area जहाँ the book size of that loan portfolios even start from 1,000 rupees. जो माइक्रो फाइनेंस होते हैं ना, 1,000 रुपया, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 रुपया भी करके वो फंडिंग करते हैं. Even in current market scenario, even the entire piece of thing, India का overall market का 45% market still unbanked है. जहाँ बोलते हैं ना कि बैंकिंग सर्विसेज ही नहीं अवेलेबल है. इंडिया की टोटल पब्लिक जो है पॉपुलेशन में से 135 करोड़ का या 140 करोड़ पकड़ लो, उसमें से आप ये पकड़ लो कि मोर देन 70 करोड़ पब्लिक स्टिल है जिनका इनको ये नहीं पता कि इंश्योरेंस होता क्या है. इंश्योरेंस अनइंश्योर्ड पब्लिक है. So there is a whole lot of scope. क्यों बाहर की मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी इंडिया में आना चाहती है? कल ही डे बिफोर यस्टरडे का देयर इज अ न्यूज, सुमिटोमो जो जापान की वर्ल्ड फॉर्च्यून 500 की एनबीएफसी कंपनी है, फाइनेंशियल कंपनी, दे हैव एक्वायर्ड फुलरट्रॉन इंडिया, जो टेमसेक कंपनी है, उसको 20,000 करोड़ में उन्होंने खरीदा है। 20,000 करोड़, जबकि उसका लोन पोर्टफोलियो सिर्फ 15,000 करोड़ का है। और ऑन द अदर हैंड साइड, अगर आप लोगों ने न्यूज सुना हो, देयर इज अ ग्रुप कॉल्ड सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट, जो आज की डेट में काफी फेमस है। किस चीज के लिए?
Yes,
Vaccine.
vaccine.
हाँ, सो जो पूनावाला साहब,
आधार पूनावाला सर,
आधार पूनावाला साहब की कंपनी है पूनावाला फाइनेंस, दे हैव एक्वायर्ड मैग्मा फिनकॉर्प विद 20,000 पोर्टफोलियो, बट एक्वायर कितने में किया है? सिर्फ 3-3.5 करोड़ में। नाउ सी हियर इज अ टू सेट ऑफ एग्जांपल। एक कंपनी जिसका पोर्टफोलियो, बुक साइज पोर्टफोलियो 20,000 करोड़ का है, और एक कंपनी जिसका पोर्टफोलियो 15,000 करोड़ का है। ये आप मार्केट में 20,000 करोड़ में बिकती है और ये सिर्फ 3,500 करोड़ में बिकती है। व्हाई? कैन एनीवन हेल्प मी? पैंडेमिक द आई ओपनर, बहुत क्विक लर्निंग है इस पे। मार्केट के साथ कनेक्ट रहा करो आप लोग प्लीज। किसी को पता भी है ये न्यूज की मैं ही बता रहा हूँ आप लोगों को? पढ़ाई के आगे भी ना बहुत
सेकंड,
ये जो बुक है ना, ये बुक से भी बाहर निकलो प्लीज। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि बुक, लेकिन बाहर की दुनिया को देखो। कोई बताएगा क्यों फुलरट्रॉन 20,000 करोड़ में बिकी और मैग्मा सिर्फ 3,500 करोड़ में? ओनली 3,500 करोड़ विद द मार्केट बुक साइज ऑफ 20,000 करोड़। इसमें फाइनेंस के कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमारे पास?
So we are in first year, sir.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट ईयर में ही बेस बनता है बॉस। अगर बेस बिगड़ गया ना तो पूरी बिल्डिंग का ढांचा खराब हो जाता है। Kunjal?
Yes, sir.
So don't give me the excuses कि we are in the first year. इससे पहले तो पढ़ के आया होगा ना 12-15 साल। I'm really sorry, थोड़ा सा सेल्स टोन मेरे लैंग्वेज में आ जाता है because I'm a hardcore business HR professional. But जो आईना मैं आपको आज दिखा के चला जाऊंगा ना, मे बी शायद आपको कल, हाँ, कि एक राहुल सर आए थे, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें बता के गए जो एक्चुअल लाइफ में जी रहा हूँ। कुछ तो दिमाग दौड़ाओ। ऐसा क्या है कि एक चीज 3.5 रुपए में बिकती है और एक चीज 20 रुपए में बिकती है?
Sir, as like for COVID situation, pharma sector is in demand, so that can be a reason.
The market value.
Sir, I think it is related to demand and supply, or because of limited amount of stocks which is available in India.
So debt.
The quality differ करती होगी sir, इसलिए if quality is better then demand of that particular thing will be good.
Sir, their goodwill.
सॉरी रजत, क्या बोला आपने?
Sir, their goodwill.
गुडविल?
Yes, sir.
ओके, और कोई कुछ बताएगा प्लीज? देन आई विल हेल्प यू ऑल। एहसान जमल साहब ने कहा है कि अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो। ओके, आई विल क्विकली गिव यू द एग्जांपल व्हाई। सो माइक्रो फाइनेंस या एनबीएफसीज कंपनी है, यू नो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनबीएफसी?
Yes, sir.
Non-banking
financial institutions.
फुलरट्रॉन इंडिया एंड मैग्मा दोनों एनबीएफसीज कंपनी है। दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लाइन मोर और लेस सेम है। वो एमएसएमई, एसएमई, मैग्मा का ज्यादा एक्सपोजर थोड़ा ऑटो सेल्स पे ज्यादा फंडिंग पे रहता है। दोनों का नेचर और बिजनेस एक है, दोनों पैसा देती है मार्केट में, राइट? सो मैं बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को समझा रहा हूँ क्यों प्राइसिंग डिफरेंस होता है। सो दोनों का नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस है, दे आर इनटू अ फंडिंग बिजनेस। सो रिमेंबर गाइस वन थिंग, इन अ एनबीएफसी और अ बैंकिंग सेक्टर, पैसा देना आसान है, उसको वापस लेना is not at all a easy job. और इस पेंडेमिक में जो सबसे ड्रास्टिक जो हिट किया एनबीएफसीज को और बैंक्स को, क्योंकि बैंक ने तो मॉरिटोरियम दे दिया कि ठीक है आप पैसा मत दो एनबीएफसीज को अपना जो लोन लिया है, बट एनबीएफसी ने पैसा कहाँ से बोरो करती है? एनबीएफसी कैन बोरो दोस फंड फ्रॉम मल्टीपल सोर्सेज, एंड मेजर सोर्सेज जो होता है तो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स और प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स, राइट? आप किसको पैसा दे रहे हो, डू योर प्रॉपर ड्यू डिलिजेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नो योर कस्टमर इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप जिसको पैसा दे रहे हो उसके अंदर वो एपेटाइट है टू पे बैक योर मनी और नॉट. जब जिस दिन वो प्रपोजल आता है मेरे पास असेस करने के लिए, सर इसको 100 करोड़ रुपए देना है XYZ कंपनी को, अगर किसी ने मिस्टर माल्या का प्रपोजल देखा होगा, कोई एग्जांपल देगा? माल्या साहब आज कितने करोड़ लेके इंडिया के बाहर बैठे हैं?
9,000
करोड़.
और जब माल्या साहब का प्रपोजल आता था बैंक के पास, तो SBI और PNB ने कभी सोचा होगा कि इनका भी क्रेडिट अप्रेजल हमें करना चाहिए, इनका फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ देखना चाहिए?
नो सर.
तो उन्होंने अपना नाम ऐसा बना दिया ना कि यार ये तो माल्या का UB ग्रुप का है, तो ये क्या डिफॉल्ट करेगा. सो डोंट गो बाय द नेम, बिकॉज फॉलो योर रोल, जिस रोल के लिए आप बने हो. Being you are into a NBFC, being you are into a finance domain, you have to focus. My job is to, boss, as a credit analyst or as an NBFC, I have to do my proper due diligence कि मैं किसको पैसा दे रहा हूँ. Right? यही मिस्टर माल्या है जिनको 500 करोड़ रुपए हमने भी दिया था श्रेय इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, एंड वी आर द ओनली वन लेंडर जिसने सूद समेत 1-1 रुपया हमने मिस्टर माल्या से रिकवर किया है. Why? Because we are very clear कि बॉस मेरा धंधा बहुत क्लियर है, मैं पैसा दूंगा तो मैं पैसा वापस भी लूंगा. मेरे लिए आप मिस्टर माल्या हो या मिस्टर X हो या मिस्टर Y हो, doesn't matter. For me, my 500 crore rupees is important. If you are going to default, how I am going to recover my money? Right?
Yes, sir.
अब वही जो मैग्मा फिनकॉर्प है, उसका पोर्टफोलियो भले 20,000 करोड़ का है, लेकिन उसका जो एसेट का पोर्टफोलियो का जो हेल्थ है इज नॉट इन अ राइट शेप. मतलब 20,000 करोड़ में आप ये मान के चलो कि उसका एक अच्छा खासा जो NPA रेशियो है, अब आप खुद स्टडी करना, व्हाट इज NPA?
नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स.
20,000 करोड़ का जो उसका एसेट साइज है, उसका NPA रेशियो बहुत हाई है. मतलब पैसा तो मार्केट में चला गया, लेकिन उसमें से घूम के कितना वापस आएगा, दैट्स इनटू अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड साइड, फुलरट्रॉन का पोर्टफोलियो 15,000 करोड़ का है, लेकिन उनका NPA रेशियो एकदम स्पेसिफिक लेवल पे है. मतलब जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि नो रिस्क एंड नो रेड फ्लैग और नथिंग. तो अगर आपका पूरा का पूरा पोर्टफोलियो कंप्लायंस होगा, विद इन लिमिट होगा, 1 रुपए की चीज 4 रुपए में बिकेगी. और आपका चीज भले 4 रुपए की है, लेकिन कंप्लायंट नहीं है, रिस्की एसेट है, मेरे लिए वो 20,000 करोड़ का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, क्योंकि कल के दिन वो मेरे लिए डेट बन जाएगा पूरा. क्या मैग्मा के पास 20,000 करोड़ रुपए? नहीं, उन्होंने 20,000 करोड़ रुपए में से 15,000 करोड़ रुपए बोरो किए हैं. जिनसे आप बोरो करोगे तो उनको तो वापस देना ही पड़ेगा ना आपको. अब अगर आपका एसेट ही मार्केट में ग्लो कर जाएगा, तो आप कहाँ से पैसा लाओगे वापस? तो पूनावाला फाइनेंस ने बहुत अच्छा, आधार पूनावाला साहब ने ट्रिक लगाया कि 10 रुपए की चीज को 3 रुपए में खरीद लिया है. उनको ये भी पता है कि इस 10 रुपए की चीज में से अगर 5 रुपए फट भी जाएगा ना, फिर भी मेरे को 1.5 रुपए का फायदा है, इसमें 2 रुपए का फायदा ही होगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बिजनेस. अपने बिजनेस को इतने अच्छे तरीके से इवेल्युएट करो कि बॉस लोगों को लगे कि यार ये तो घाटे का सौदा है, लेकिन एक्चुअल पता चलेगा तो नहीं, ये बहुत फायदे का सौदा है. और उसी तरफ सुमिटोमो, अब यहाँ क्वालिटी फुलरट्रॉन मैनेजमेंट की कही जाएगी कि बॉस 10 रुपए की चीज को उन्होंने 20 रुपए में बेच दिया, और जापान की कंपनी ने उसे खरीद भी लिया. सो जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. मार्केटिंग का बहुत क्लियर कट फंडा है ये.
यस सर.
मानते हो ना इस बात को?
Yes,
sir. Guys, remember, when you have entered into a corporate life or any professional career, express yourself, just do it. What next? And emotionally strong रहो हमेशा. अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखो. लाइफ में बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन आएंगे. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दोस चैलेंजेस. सिंपल सा फंडा रखना. गो विद द फ्लो and continuously improve your knowledge, please.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Suchi.
Sir, just a query actually. Just my consciousness wants to ask you just a little excitement about that. Actually, earlier you said that you are an economist, right? Then you started your career as in firstly in sales, then you went in HR background.
Right.
It's just I want to know that why didn't you, I mean, go pursue in your economic background or something, or it is your interest that you went in that situation? I guess it's out of the box question, but still I wanted to ask.
No, it's a
Or
very interesting
it's
question,
just
Chandra. I must appreciate Shruti. You have asked a very right question, a validated question. Ki being an economist, why I have not chosen to start my journey from economics background. So that's what I'm telling you, because please guys to understand, because there's a whole lot of other situations that will to take your call. As I told you guys, कि मेरा जो एक family background था, is a totally different background because my dad is into वो आर्मी का ऑफिसर कैडर में भी नहीं, एक जूनियर कैडर स्टाफ थे, और उस समय मतलब मेरे डैड 24 साल की उम्र में वो हार्डली हमारे साथ 10 साल रहे होंगे. मोस्टली टाइम पे वो फील्ड और ऑल पे उनकी पोस्टिंग रहती थी जहां हम लोग उनके साथ नहीं रह पाते थे. सो दैट्स व्हाट यू नो कि दैट फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एंड दैट कल्चर डिफाइन योर कि वेयर यू हैव टू गो. वो जो बेस जो इनिशियल जो बेस सेटअप होना चाहिए वो हमारा नहीं हो पाया था. People have said कि ये बॉस the career guidance for you to know go into army, but that has not happened. Economics is one of my favorite subject जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था पढ़ना, इसलिए I have done what next. मैंने अच्छा यार घर में पापा की डांट सुनने से अच्छा है कि चलो मैं मास्टर्स कर लेता हूँ. After BCom honors I have done my masters in economics. अब इकोनॉमिक्स करने के बाद फिर क्या करें यार, अब क्या करें, और लेकिन वहां तो पापा का लेक्चर हमेशा आता था हमारे लिए, यार राहुल कब तक तुम घर में ही बैठे रहोगे, कुछ तो करो कुछ तो करो. सो दैट एनवायरनमेंट विल पुश यू लाइक एनीथिंग ना. देखो था ना कि पुल एंड पुश फैक्टर. बॉस वो पापा का मतलब वो उनका एक कहानी सुनने से उन्होंने मतलब ये भी बोलते थे कि राहुल तो मूंगफली का ठेला लगा ले, घर में मत बैठ.
Oh my God.
घर पे नहीं चाहिए तू मेरे को बस. So that pushed me a lot कि मैंने कि यार क्या करूं. I remember मेरा जो सिटी का जो इंटरव्यू हुआ था ना देहरादून में ही हुआ था.
Oh, okay.
Right, सिटी बैंक का मैं इंटरव्यू देने गया एंड मैं बोला कि यार चलो पापा की डांट सुनने से अच्छा कोई सी भी जॉब कर लेता हूँ. And luckily सिटी का जॉब क्लिक कर गया and they have given me my first salary is what 4,000 plus incentive 18 years back.
That's great, sir. That's very motivating actually.
मैं बोला कि यार नहीं बॉस ठीक है अभी यहाँ से निकलो, बस पापा का डांट से बचना है मुझे. फादर का भी एक होता है कि बड़ा बेटा घर पे बैठा 12वीं पे नहीं गया तो अभी क्या करेगा ये. So I have decided, okay, fine, let me accept the new set of challenges, whether it's a sales or any kind of role, I have to move out. No, my funda or my target is very clear. I have decided, you know, boss, no, I have to go, and being in any situation, what I have told you guys, just do it. ठीक है, sales में आगे कोई बात नहीं. अब मुझे करना ही है, पास होऊंगा, फेल होऊंगा, that's a different story, but I'm going to do my job.
Sir, yes, sir. So sorry to interrupt. So just one more query. Sir, now you are on the platform that, I mean, I guess you don't think, but we think that you have achieved like everything. I mean, you are our idol. So it's like the thing. So now you don't think about going back to past and pursue matlab in economics. I mean, you have, I guess you dreamed about something that you opt economics.
So I have already told you, Suchi, because being an economist, I'm using my skill in my current state.
Yeah.
I am the part of even my previous organization also. I'm the part of a corporate strategy team, right? Being an HR, I am able to provide those input to my various business head ki boss, here you people are going on the right direction and here you people are going on the wrong direction. The market says this and you guys are following. Because being an economist, my job is to do the entire due diligence and with fact and figure and with data. एक होता है बात करना और एक होता है कि with fact and figure के साथ बात करना. It's a two different scenario.
Correct, sir.
So
it's
I'm the one unique person in my team कि जिसको business वाले अपनी मीटिंग में कॉल करते हैं कि नहीं राहुल, your presence is very important because you are not only providing your views from a HR angle, you are going to see from a both angle, from a business point of view.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for us giving the answers to my questions. Thank you.
May I ask you a question, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead.
The few words that you said in starting are ticking in my mind, that one is comfort zone, and second is change, and third is innovation, and fourth is the certified psychologist. So I have a question regarding that. According to you, the pandemic made people realize the value of life and made them self-centered human beings. as if they are more productive at their home and they are in their comfort zone. What do you think about that?
So I'll tell you, even to be frank, we have already implemented to work from anywhere concept, not from a work from home piece of things. There are few roles, that's you can work from anywhere concept. Believe me. So we have defined, like, we have more than 600 plus roles, not the employees. I'm talking about the roles, and out of those 600 roles, we have shortlisted because this 150 or 200 roles. These roles are, they can do their job from anywhere. It's not required to be there at office and all other piece of things. Even to very frank, वो जो 200 लोग ऐसे हैं कि जिनको अगर हम लोगों ने घर से काम करने का दिया, their productivity level has increased. But on the other hand side, the role, market-facing portfolios like sales, collections, credit, customer-centric role, ये आप घर से नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to be in the market. Ultimate, because you have to face your customer. चीज आप घर में रह के नहीं बेच सकते हो, बेचने के लिए आपको बाहर निकलना ही पड़ेगा. So we have defined कि बॉस किस रोल का प्रोडक्टिविटी कहाँ ज्यादा आइडियल है. पहले क्या होता था कि सारे के सारे रोल को बॉस सब ऑफिस आ जाओ, 9 to 6 का एक जो कल्चर है उसको फॉलो करो, whether you are productive or not productive. For me it's no, we are just following the 6 working days concept and 8 hours jobs concept. No, here even to everything now people are working on ki boss. Most of the countries has already tried and implemented this 4 working day concept. In India still this 5 working days concept is going on, but there is an organization, I just कौन सी कंपनी है जिन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली इंप्लीमेंट किया है. फ्लिपकार्ट का ऑनर कौन था?
Sachin and Binivan sir.
हाँ, so
Sir, even I have one question.
Okay, so let me answer this question. So we have to create that platform कि बॉस किसको कहाँ best utilize हो सकता है. Right here, I'm sitting in front of you guys. Even my roles work from anywhere, but because I'm the part of a senior management team, I have to be with my team. And being an essential services sector, banking sector comes under essential services. हमारे लिए कोई छुट्टी नहीं है to verify. Sunday को भी मुझे ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा. We have a branches जो 365 days के हिसाब से concept working करती है, and we have implemented this video banking concept. We have implemented this so not कि बॉस आप एक कॉल पे, एक वीडियो कॉल पे आपका पूरा केवाईसी करके हम आपको लोन भी दे देंगे एंड कंप्लीट करके क्लोज भी कर देंगे. Then we can open your account. So the technology is moving. Technology is good for your to ease your life, but still I'm saying कि emotional intelligence and machine learning, artificial intelligence, ये दोनों बहुत important है. You can't rely on any one of them. आप बोलोगे कि नहीं बॉस मैं emotional intelligence हूँ तो I'm perfect. The answer is no. No, I am full fledged artificial intelligence guy जो पूरा machine पे dependency है, mistake नहीं होगा. The answer is no, mistake definitely होगा. So the combination of both is very important. Artificial intelligence plus emotional intelligence, इन दोनों को जब आप क्लब करोगे तब आप एक perfect human being बन जाओगे. Yes, dear, you have some question. I just forget your name.
So my name is Rakshanda.
Yes, Rakshanda.
Sir, my question is, sir, you said that you have done your graduation in economics, or sir, I have graduated from economics, and I know how much efforts it takes. But sir, while focusing on my account and finance lectures or everything, I'm not able to how am I supposed to deal with this? Like, I am distracted. Like, there's a lot of distraction and I cannot focus, and I'm trying my best, but I just need one advice from you, that if I have come this far after learning economics for like 3rd and 4th sem and everything, I just wanted to know that how am I supposed to focus now, because there's a lot of distraction.
There is a lot of distraction. Rakshanda, this is a very interesting question you have asked, and I'll request you can take my number from Dr. Sanjeev Sahab and call me offline, because this is not the right platform to give you the answer of this question. मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि सारी दुनिया सुने उस टॉपिक को, right? So call me, you can take my contact coordinates with Dr. Sanjeev, or even you can approach me through LinkedIn. I'll help you. This is something related to your personal life as well. So this is not.
So no, it is not related to my personal life. This is basically I am trying to study, but still there's a lot of distraction which comes my way.
So the distraction क्यों आता है, Rakshanda? चलो let's discuss. Distraction क्यों आ रहा है आपकी life में?
I don't know, sir, because maybe I'm less focused or something like that.
Less focused नहीं, देखो जो भी आप काम करो ना, when you are not fully convinced, let's not do this job. The answer is one-liner. If you're not fully convinced, let's not do this job. Again, I'm repeating that same word. If you are into that situation, you have to decide yourself. जो बोलता है कि बॉस ठीक है, अभी मैं इस सिचुएशन में आ गया हूँ या आ गई हूँ, तो जो जस्ट डू इट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करो. या तो तुम करो या तो मत करो, बीच वाला काम मत करो प्लीज. If you are doing your current portfolio, follow your entire 100% फोकस करो फिर उसको करने में. डिस्ट्रैक्शन का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होना चाहिए. If you are a wholehearted doing any work ना, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि वो कौन सा एक पता नहीं, शाहरुख खान साहब उस मूवी को बहुत, उनका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस है और उन्होंने मेरा नाम यूज कर करके बहुत सारी मूवी में नाम कमा लिया है, बट वो डायलॉग मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है कि
किसी काम को शिद्दत से करना.
हाँ,
ओम शांति ओम का डायलॉग.
ये जो डायलॉग है ना रक्षंदा, इसको सुनना तो यू विल गेट योर आंसर.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Can I have a question?
Guys, I think डॉक्टर संजीव साहब स्क्रीन पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया, उनका रिफ्लेक्ट होना मतलब कि सर खत्म करो सेशन अपना.
नहीं, I'm there, sir. You can continue. Shubhangi, you wanted to ask something. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Shubhangi. Sir, as in, like due to the COVID situation, everyone is working from home only, and they have adapted to work from home only. But still, sir, at some point of time, we feel demotivated. Like we don't meet our colleagues, and we don't get that ambience, like working experience. So how can we stay motivated, sir, even during during this time?
I think I'll give you a quick example what we have done, to engage our employee, not to engage our employee, basically to engage our employees family. आप लोगों ने एक वर्ड सुना होगा, किटी पार्टी कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत चलता था, especially into ladies piece of thing, right? So we have invented to engage our employee spouses. Because वो घर पे 24 घंटे रहते हैं, so it's very important to engage their wife also. So we have invented to online kitty party concept. So because we do not have any option to go out from the houses और कहीं नहीं जा सकते हो, so जो है हमारे पास उसी में the best experience create करने का solution find out करो. And believe me guys, when we have interacted their wives, the response was totally awesome. कि जैसे कि बॉस ये तो कॉन्सेप्ट कभी नहीं सोचा था कि कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमारे स्पाउसेस को इंटरेक्ट करेगी और वो भी उनको एक वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे किटी पार्टी रन किया जाएगा कॉन्सेप्ट. So you have to be self motivated, because very important. If you are not a self motivated now, no one is going to come here to give you this motivational ज्ञान on each and every step. आज डॉक्टर संजीव जी है आप लोगों को एज ए टॉर्च बैरियर आपको राह दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन डॉक्टर संजीव का लाइफ लॉन्ग आप लोग के साथ रहेंगे? द आंसर इज नो. आज राहुल जो लेक्चर दे रहा है क्या कल देगा? द आंसर इज नो. Yes, I'm seeing so many hands. So please.
Very rightly pointed. You should find your passion, and whatever you do, once you are into it, go with the flow. I like that line, and be passionate. Excellent. I'll take 2 more questions, sir, if you permit.
Yes, sir, please.
Sagar, go ahead. And I'm coming to you, Lavanya. Sagar, you are not audible. Unmute.
Sorry, sir. So, sir, my question is, during COVID-19, the retail and the wholesale sector is the most affected sector, and this sector has an outstanding debt of 4.5 lakh crore. So, with this, how is it affecting the economy and the financial sector and this sector?
So that's a very important point you have raised. This due to this COVID, of course, not only retail or a wholesale, even the entire hospitality sector, the aviation sector, they have faced a whole lot of need. But you guys have to give the credit to our central government. They have, in a 3-phase manner, they have given us these financial packages to support the Indian economy. And believe me, being an economist, I have been closely watching my Indian economics numbers and all, where we are going, the GDP numbers are. And I'm very optimistic it's what, 21, 22, by 23, 24, again, we can see GDP has to be minimum 9.5 plus. So the financial, that's the support was provided by the RBI, the central bank, as well as the government, because this help to, they have to understand, okay, fine, if due to any situations, if those organizations are not, or those sectors not able to perform, we as in government, we have to give that, financial input. And in last quarter only, RBI has given more than 1 lakh crore rupees to pass on those, benefit to the central government, so that central government find out those sector and implement those. You can, in this pandemic, you can see the central government is giving 2,000 rupees every month to those specific line of family members, the free rations and all other things. ये सब कहाँ से आता है चैंपियन? ये सब कहीं ना कहीं पैसे से ही आता है, जो मेरे और आपके इनकम टैक्स से जाके बनता है. But ultimately, we are the Indians, and we love go for a local and vocal for local concept was a piece of things. So market है, survival tough situation है, but yes, हमारे इंडियन का जो एक DNA होता है ना, कि वो जिसे बोलते हैं नहीं, हार नहीं माननी है हमने, कोई बात नहीं, हम सर्वाइव कर लेंगे. And still in current situation, our GDP compared to other countries far better. Even you can see our stock market is all time high, 16,000 to almost Nifty चल रहा है, and mark my word, by this year end हम लोग 20,000 को cross कर जाएंगे.
Yes, sir, we have noticed a stability in the stock market.
So ये क्या है कि we need to thanks our central government and central bank कि timely उनका जो एक interference था उस pandemic को handle करने का, that was very good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is Lavanya here. I have a question related to HR, sir. So on the previous note, you were talking about technology involvement of AI.
Can you mute Tanmay?
So talking about the advancements of AI, sir, like AI has gone up to stage, has developed to such a stage where you can, there's AI, there's machines which can actually recognize facial expressions and are able to decide take decisions and understand people. So coming to a HR's job, it's our job to understand the body language, understand what kind of person they are, and to take decisions based on that, to some extent. But right now we are seeing this trend where HR jobs are also being replaced by AI machinery. An example would be also payroll jobs and all these HR payrolls and HR screening jobs or resume screening. All these things are being replaced by them. So what exactly is the impact? I understand the impact is really high, but how can you save yourself from this high impact of AI onto HR? So if you want to become an effective HR and want to shape your career in such a way that AI would be something complementary and not like a competition to you, what exactly would you suggest, sir?
So you can take this AI as a complementary, because AI can help us to take decisions. They are not a decision maker. That's why I'm saying was importance of artificial intelligence and emotional intelligence is very important. What AI can help us to they can evaluate various data, right? Out of those 1,000 profiles, what sort of profile I'm looking for. As a human being, I have some limitations, right? मैं वो सारे profiles को one by one नहीं देख सकता. So what AI can help me to narrow down those out of those 1,000 profile ki boss, as per your requirement, these 100 profiles are the ideal fitment, or you can say the nearest fitment per se. Now here the emotional intelligence come in the picture, because we need to then find out those out of those 100 profiles. Okay, fine, what I am looking for. Then we are going to flow with because AI is not going to do the first level of interviews or a second level of interviews. They can define some parameter question. On the basis of parameter questions and answer, what we call competency mapping, depend on those specific grade or a specific role or a title, we can decide those questions. AI can raise these questions, but AI not going to understand whether this answer is right or not, right? So we, the man is going to, or the emotional intelligence is going to decide, what we are looking for is that specific skill thing. So AI can help us to take the decision. That's simple. And ये दोनों बहुत ही mandatory है साथ रहना. आप किसी पे individual rely करके नहीं कर सकते. So take it as a complementary, not as a threat.
Understood, sir. Like another very blunt question I would like to ask. I do not know if it's right to ask or not, but people say that, most people say that HR is like, even how you have referred before, HR is very crucial because whoever does what, people, human resources and managing these people is very important. But why is HR usually looked down upon, sir? When you say finance, like when compared to a marketing job or compared to a finance job, HR is lesser paid. Why is that?
No, I don't think so. HR is lesser paid. So
Because
I'll tell you, HR, if you can see the background story of the HR, ki HR word aaya kahan se hai. In the initial days, there's a role called personal manager, right? So this personal manager's job is basically just to do hygiene practices, attendance lagana, check karna, guidelines ko follow karna, nothing else. So the HR has evolved, it's like multifold evolution we have seen in the HR domain, possibly something from a salary benchmarking or attendance mark karne se, defining the entire PMS guidelines and be a part of. Currently, I'm managing a PMS of 18,000 employee with the help of 22 HR people. So can you beat it कि boss जो एक PL एक टाइम पे जो attendance mark करता था, आज वो 18,000 लोगों का PMS decide कर रहा है on the bell curve process कि boss किसको क्या rating मिलनी चाहिए on those quantitative or qualitative parameters. So there's a whole lot of the story is totally changed now. So the acceptability of HR, I'll give you a quick example. Have anyone heard about Dr. Santrup Mishra?
Not really, sir, to be very honest.
Dr. Santrup Mishra is he is the Chief People Officer of Aditya Birla Group, the entire Aditya Birla Group, and he is the CEO of Carbon Black Business as well. So you can see कि उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी कहाँ से शुरू की थी, and he can become a CPO, and now he's a CEO of the one of the multinational group company. Carbon Black Business जो है आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप का, उसके वो CEO भी है, as well as he is the group CPO of the entire Aditya Birla Group. So the HR's fraternity and acceptability has totally changed now. Now the business is relying, the business feels, the HR head or the CPO can become a good CEO as well. And there is a whole lot of examples.
Understood, sir. Any suggestions, sir, what exactly should a good HR or someone who's aiming that high should be really looking into, profession wise? What job would be best?
Only two things you have to focus if you want to get into a HR domain. You have to be a people-centric, and your relationship management skills is going to play a vital role here. Because you never know who's your customer. Your customer may be a relationship manager, your customer may be a CEO and MD of the organization. So each and every individual is a different character. You can't follow the same rule, to convince the entire crowd. For each and every individual, you have to, change your work of style, you have to change your thought process, and you have to change your convincing skill. So you have to be flexible enough. No need to, have to rigidity. नहीं boss मैं यही करूँगी या इसी तरीके से. Don't follow the rule book, please. HR is like, boss, you have to be people centric, and you have to be flexible enough, and you have to be, non-biased. You are not going to follow the organization, or you're not going to follow the employee. You are the non-biased, a domain ki boss, fine. HR ke paas kab aate hain log? When they are not happy with the business, or where they are feeling some sort of challenges and all other things, and we are here to help them. We are here to pass on those messages to our top team ki boss, market में ये rumors जा रहा है या market का ये fact है, the fact and figure, and always convince your management with fact and figure.
Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now we'll move on to final question. Yagnitha, you raised your hand, so you can.
Yes, sir.
There, please go ahead.
Sir, if you are asked to describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be?
That's 3 words. Very interesting question. So the 3 word is going to, or I'm going to describe myself in 3 words.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first is smart worker. relationship management, and the business centric.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So आज की डेट में ना वो you guys have to focus कि of course donkey and horse are both are important, but भीड़ से अलग नजर आना बहुत जरूरी है. Don't go and mingle with the crowd. थोड़ा सा कुछ यूनिक करो और भीड़ से अलग नजर आओ.
Great, sir. It was wonderful interacting with you. There are endless questions which are, in fact, students want to ask. Maybe we will keep it for another session of yours. We'll request you for that.
Yeah, my pleasure, Sanjeev.
And it was absolutely a wonderful interactive session. Very valuable insights with clarity and conviction have come from you. You have very convincingly shattered the thinking that the boxes of when the students think to box themselves as an HR or as a finance or someone. It's a very down to earth beginning which you have said. Yes, the experience into sales, I think that is how your orientation to be business centric has built up. And I certainly believe when you have the customer orientation in mind, then that makes you smart and savvy. And that one line which I loved, it was go with the flow. So at times you unnecessarily struggle, especially the the freshers. Freshers, when you all the students, those who are freshers, please listen to very carefully what sir has said. Go with the flow, express yourself, just do it, and always keep on your toes thinking what next, instead of unnecessarily being critical about what you have done or being critical about yourself. Think what next. That will help you to come out of your comfort zone. That all will make you make efforts to be emotionally strong. So if that is the thought process you have, that is going to do wonders for you. Certainly, in fact, it was a very lively, interactive session, sir. We all enjoyed it. I was also hooked up. Maybe I have a dozen of chocolates to offer to the students. So
guys, please make sure कि डॉक्टर साहब से चॉकलेट ले लेना आप लोग.
We'll have you at the campus, sir. I think when the things open up, we'll invite you to the campus. The students will also be there, and then during one of the sessions, one of more such interactive sessions, we can have the chocolates and other goodies being distributed to the students.
That's great.
That was great, sir. May I now ask Pratibha to propose a formal vote of thanks? Pratibha.
Thank you so much, sir. So I, Pratibha, would like to take an opportunity to present the vote of thanks to Mr. Rahul Rajan Singh, sir, National Manager TA and TM, Asset and Support, AU Small Finance Bank Limited, on behalf of our ICFA University. Firstly, sir, your words of encouragement, guidance, and advice kept us sane, thoughtful this interactive session. Thank you doesn't even begin to cover it, but thank you for the guidance that you provided us during the webinar, for seeking a new position during this severely distressed economic times. That was a spot on with what the big name professional outplacement firms are advising you. I especially appreciate your optimism in stating recent regulatory interactions on performance assessment. Thank you for your gracious hospitality and professionalism, sir. I would also like to extend my heartiest thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Muddu Vinay, sir, for their outstanding efforts contributed substantially to the quality of the meeting and the effectiveness by providing video conferencing support. We believe this pandemic has interaction was due in no small time to the support provided by our faculty coordinator, Dr. Sanjeev Malviya, sir, academic coordinator, Dr. Amit Joshi, sir, and Himanshu Pandey, sir, our placement manager. And last but not the least, our sincere thanks for the excellent technical support by our system admin, Mr. Akhilesh Singh, sir. Thank you and hope you all have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Can we
Pratibha.
clap for sir? It has been a wonderful session. We look forward to more such sessions, sir.
I love to, interact with you people, let's hope for the best that things will be come back on the track, because Dehradun is my second home. So So guys, for any queries, for anything, you guys can approach me on my LinkedIn platform for any professional help, please call me any point of time. That's only I can suggest you or give you at this point of time.
Certainly both of you, sir. I'll be, in fact, those students, those are eager, they can come to me and we'll certainly have an interaction. We'll keep an interaction, one more interaction with sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your life. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.